Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fishers Off-Road, and in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to secure your ATV or side-by-side going down the road, and that is with the tire bonnet. Over the tire strap is a great way, and tire bonnet is another great way. Those are two of the best ways to secure your ATV or side-by-side when you're transporting it down the road on your trailer. If you've ever seen a professional car hauler or transporter, they always have the straps running over the tires, and that's because you don't secure a vehicle by the frame or the bumper or anywhere that the machine can't float going down the road. The suspension has to work going down the road, because what happens is that machine is trying to do its job, which is letting the suspension flex. And if you have a ratchet strap or something secured to the frame or the bumper or anything like that, the ratchet strap is trying to do its job, and its job is to hold things tight. So when it's going down the road and it's going like that and it's flexing, all that's doing is putting stress on the strap, and it's also coming loose. You want to make sure you get out as close to the hub as possible, whether it be the wheel, the tire, the A-arm down there. That is the best way to secure your ATV or side-by-side. In my opinion, this is probably the #1 way, because this is heavy duty. If you look at everything from the ratchet itself to the strap to the hooks, this is what we're using. This is a tire bonnet from Smart Straps, and you'll see it has a safe workload of 3,333 pounds, and it also has a brake strength of 10,000 pounds. We're gonna put our tire bonnet up on here. The way I like to do it is you'll see some red dashes on the outside. I like to use those red dashes as a way of knowing that my strap is not kinked or twisted, so that way I know exactly where everything is when I'm lining it up. And with a knobby tire, you're going to want to get over the knobs as best you can. This is a track rope ring, and this is how we're going to fasten our tire bonnet to the X-Track. This is the X-Track that we're going to be using here today. There's also E-Track that you can use. I like to use X-Track because then I can go either way with the strap. Like if I wanted to, I could go like that, or I can go like that. I can have that ring go either way with X-Track. This is a 60-inch piece of X-Track. It's also available in 24-inch from cargosmart. If you're looking for something that has anything to do with strapping down your ATV side-by-side, securing your cargo, cargosmart or Smart Straps is a place to look. They've got everything you need. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this track rope ring here. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna lock it in like that right there. And that's how it's gonna look. Now what you'll wanna do is you wanna bring your tire bonnet forward to take up that slack. That's why you want to do that one first, so you get all your slack out of it. I put this track rope ring up here, and I'm going to hook this ratchet up to it right here. When you're loading and unloading your vehicle, you want to make sure you remove these, because if you drive over these, you will have a tendency to bend those tabs. Then it's really hard to open it and get it to work. So we're going to put this in here right like that. We're going to lock that in, pulling up that slack, getting your webbing in there, getting 3 to 4 wraps on the barrel so that way it doesn't come loose going down the road. And then we're just gonna crank down on this. And then what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you lock this ratchet. You don't wanna let it up like that going down the road, because it's not locked and secured. If you see this mechanism right here, this locking mechanism in the teeth, if you don't have this over that, when you're going down the road, this has a chance to come loose. So what you want to do is you want to take it and like that right there. Now that's locked in and it's not going to come loose. And another thing you want to make sure of is you use a tire bonnet on each tire. So if you have 4 tires, you want to use 4 tire bonnets, not 2, not 3. You want to make sure you use 4. Your vehicle might be going 50, 60, 70, whatever speed you tow at. There's a lot of energy when you try and stop from somebody that pulled out in front of you or to avoid an accident. This vehicle is going to react to that. So you want to make sure that you have all 4 tires secured, and that load is secured for the safest towing possible. I'm going to have all the part numbers in the description below. This is from cargosmart and Smart Straps. If you're interested in using this setup, be sure and check it out. If you guys got any questions, feel free to hit me up. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.